cutter has arrived. Although it is rained a lot. We will see how this works.
And so it begins. With a little help from United Rentals, we're going to start just tearing up some grass so we can put flower beds in. We're not tearing up all our grass, so don't worry about that, but this is how awesome this thing is. I mean, it just rolls up. Look at that. Just rolls right up perfectly. It's so good. Bunch of Asian jumping worms in here. Anyway, there you go.
This is on the other side, so we expanded that flower bed. Also, yeah, we kind of like decide to do something and then just do it. Now, going in the curves with the sod cutter is tough, but we are putting a flower bed in here, and I think I'm gonna have to, you know, curve it out because I just don't like straight lines. So I'll probably soften that edge up with my little half moon edging tool. But I'll tell you what, all the rain we've had has made quite the mess, has messed up a lot of our plans. You know, just trying to get all this done is slow going.
All right, fellas, looky here. It's Mother's Day week. You know you got too much grass to mow after Sunday before watching NASCAR. You know she wants more room to plant. Get you a sod cutter, take you 20 minutes, rip out a piece of grass. I'm gonna show you some more.
So Scott is, hold on, let me make sure my mic is angled at me so you can hear me. So Scott is digging holes around our sprinkler heads so that we can use the sod cutter around it without messing up our sprinkler heads. And of course, what comes in very handy is that root. we're making some progress, y'all, on this sod cutting. He's getting much better at this. I think he might end up becoming a pro. I'll let you know his hourly rate at the end of the video. So we're halfway through removing our sod. It has been quite challenging because the soil is still moist. Today's a lot better than it was yesterday. Yesterday was just too muddy, too moist. Today it's a little bit better. We're almost done though. This is the area that we are going to cut the sod out of next. It is the corner of the front of our house. It's going to go, you can see the little white line. I didn't do very good creating a curve, but it doesn't have to be perfect because we'll come back with our little edger and edge it out. But we're gonna put a little flower bed in this section right here. And our goal is to plant or put a light post in and maybe bring in a big rock with our address and maybe have like a little section of a picket fence just for decoration, not to go around the whole yard. Anyway, I have some ideas, but anyway, this is the next area. So we'll see how hard this is. I'm hoping this section is a lot drier than all the others because it gets so much sun and it's not surrounded by any barriers for the wind. So I'm really hoping that the soil is much easier to deal with. We have been playing in mud, it seems like. It's been quite frustrating, but we really have to get it done and couldn't really put it off. So anyway, I guess it's more mud time. Well, we have a visitor to our recently removed grass area. A little robin. Well, he's actually a big robin. I don't know if it's a boy. But he is definitely finding his fill of bugs. Huh?
What a man can accomplish when he puts his mind to something. I removed all that grass. I cut a border all the way around her flower bed. I painted the garage. I power washed the ground. I'm gonna move fast because this has got to be 60 seconds or less. I removed all that grass. We're gonna put a beautiful entrance to the corner. Again, whole border around her flower beds. Couldn't get the machine to work right here. I expanded this flower bed, this hole from here to
had all of our concrete lifted and leveled. This used to flower bed. Built that pot, all of that.